Picture your brand as a masterful gymnast, poised and ready to perform an awe-inspiring routine. One of the most breathtaking moves in the gymnast's repertoire. The brand extension. This is when you take your existing brand's name, logo, and reputation, and use it to launch a new product or service in a different category. It's like nailing a perfect triple backflip and landing gracefully in a new market segment. Let me give you an example. Apple, the tech giant we all know and love, took a leap of faith when they decided to venture into the music streaming industry with Apple Music. And guess what? They nailed the landing. But remember, not every brand extension is destined for a perfect score. Colgate, a brand known for toothpaste, tried to break into the frozen dinner market, and let's just say their scorecard wasn't so mighty fresh. Now let's talk about line extensions. If brand extensions are the triple backflips of the business world, line extensions are more like dazzling pirouettes. They're all about expanding within your existing product category by introducing new flavors, shapes, or sizes. Picture your favorite cookie brand. Now imagine they decide to launch a new line of cookies in various mouth-watering flavors. That's a line extension, and it's a sweet way to reach new customers or satisfy the cravings of your existing fan base. But as with any dazzling performance, there's always a risk of a misstep. Overextending your line can dilute your brand's image, confuse customers, or even cannibalize sales from your existing products. So choose your extensions wisely and keep your brand's performance sharp. You might be wondering, why even attempt these daring extensions if there are risks involved? Well, my friends, as with any high-flying acrobatic routine, there are some pretty impressive rewards to be gained. Take this for example. Increased revenue. By extending your brand or product line, you can tap into new markets, attract new customers, and watch your profits soar like an eagle in flight. Market segmentation. Extensions can help you target specific consumer groups with tailored products or services, allowing you to juggle the needs of multiple audiences with ease. Brand awareness. A well-executed extension can raise your brand's profile and keep your name in the spotlight, turning your brand into a household name. Competitive edge. Extensions can help you stay ahead of the game by offering fresh, innovative products or services that leave your competitors in the dust, or at least scrambling to keep up. As with any breathtaking performance, there are risks involved in brand and line extensions. As you walk the tightrope of extension strategies, keep these potential pitfalls in mind. Brand dilution. Stretch your brand too thin, and you risk losing your balance, causing your brand's identity to wobble and possibly crash. Remember to maintain focus on your core values and strengths. Cannibalization. When your extensions compete with your existing products for market share, it's like a never-ending game of tug-of-war. Avoid creating internal rivalries that could hurt your overall performance. Resource allocation. Extensions require an investment of time, money, and effort. Be prepared to commit the necessary resources without neglecting your core business, or your entire act might suffer. Market saturation. If your extensions don't bring something new and exciting to the stage, they could end up lost in a sea of competitors, struggling to stand out in the crowd. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss some best practices to ensure your brand and line extensions receive a standing ovation. Do your homework. Conduct thorough research on your target market, competitors, and industry trends. Make sure there's a genuine demand for your extension, and be prepared to meet that demand with a top-notch product. Stay true to your brand. Ensure your extension aligns with your brand's values, identity, and target audience. Stick to your brand's script and deliver a performance your audience will love. Differentiate, but don't confuse. Your extension should be distinct enough from your existing products to avoid cannibalization, but not so different that it confuses customers or dilutes your brand. Strike the perfect balance. Promote synergy. Look for opportunities to create extensions that complement and enhance your existing products. When all the elements of your brand work together harmoniously, you create a truly memorable experience for your audience. Test it. Before going all in on an extension, test it with focus groups, market research, or even a limited pilot launch to gauge customer interest and gather valuable feedback. Think of it as a dress rehearsal before the big show. As we conclude our thrilling journey through the world of brand and line extensions, remember that the key to a successful performance lies in careful planning, strategic execution, and a deep understanding of your brand and audience. Keep these principles in mind, and you'll be well on your way to expanding your brand empire. Embrace the excitement, the risks, and the rewards of brand and line extensions. And always remember, in the world of extensions, it's not just about adding length, it's about adding value.